and we are gathering here for uh, explaining our past experience and which we learned in our past. So now I am giving the chance to girls side. So the stage is yours.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I speak about what is the position of a woman in our society. Our Gandhiji is the father of our nation. His dream was, he mentioned his dream in one book. I don't know here that book name, but he mentioned what is the development of a nation. When our nation becomes a development or that becomes a progress, in that nation everybody become a hard work, every that is not depends on your gender or not depends on your status. When that all up everyone have contributed to achieve the our nation development. August 15 become we get 73 years old of our freedom, but still we are living in restricted border, like we are stick on the some traditions, customs. We are, even though we can't see matriarchal families, wherever we see almost there is a patriarchal families means in which family there is a male person is a dominated is called a family, patriarchal family. Okay, but in and Gandhiji mentioned in his dream, when a woman start a walk at a night 2 o'clock as a single or a alone, that is called a development. But nowadays that is we never seen one woman walking at a night. This shows here there is no progress, and we want choose our own career because everyone have their own interested in fields. In this generation we see parents, if they can't achieve in their goals, they are start force on their children to do what they are dream, what was their dream, to do that. If our father cannot become a IAS, he is started to pressure on her son or a daughter to do a IAS officer. I learnt in second PUC, but I can't remember that poet name or that poem title. But he say children are coming through the parents, not by the parents. It means if children are the we consider as a water, and parents are the consider as a tap. Here it is the one tap. When water is coming through this to outside, it means we are just coming through our parents, not by the our parents. Are you understood what I am trying to say? They are just that is the just way guiding by them, but we are not coming from there. And every parents must encourage their children what they have interested in their own fields.